Okay, good afternoon everyone. Time for an unboxing video. And we got the Bubble-Mate foot spa today. All the way from Argos. It's like a big catalogue shop in the UK. Let's get it unboxed. Like I said, got this from August. I don't think it's the next one up from the base one. Cost 32 quid. And get it off them. Instructions. And it also has like a rock in it to smooth your feet over if you need that. And it sits in that little groove there. On off, water jets, massager. Not a bad size or colour. Like the green. Has it got a code name? Made in China. Bubble-Mate foot spa. There you have it. Big plastic bowl. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.